Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to download and install Net Framework 4.8 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type features and select turn Windows features on or off and hit enter. In this new window, select this option. Scroll down and select Net Framework 4.8 Advanced Services and mark these options and click on OK. Wait a moment for the installation. When you show this message, Windows complete the field request change, click on close. And to apply the change, go to the start menu and select restart on the power off button. Login in your desktop. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.